How to see hidden following list on TikTok. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see the hidden following list of someone on the TikTok app. First, you'll have to launch the app and find the account that you want to see the following list of. So let's say if I just want to look at the following list from this profile, I can just go to this profile right here. And to see their following list, I can just tap on following, and here are all of the following lists from this profile. But if you don't see every following list, like it says here showing 50 of 247 followers, you can only see 50 followers for now. Sometimes it might show right here that they follow this person, so it will show a small icon besides their name if this person follows this person as well, and that will indicate that they are the followers, or they have been following each other for a long time. So here I cannot see any of those, but in some cases you can see those kind of icon. So it will show you the hidden following list from their account. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.